If you're craving pizza and you want to keep those calories and macros in check, then you're in for an absolute treat in this video. I'm going to be sharing with you my high protein, low calorie, delicious pizza recipe. Like most of the world, I absolutely love pizza. It's one of the most versatile things you can have. You can top it with just cheese, you can have veggies, you can have meat, even pineapple if you want. The only problem is the base, right? If you want a pizza to taste right, the base has got to be right, otherwise it just doesn't work. Now, I know there's loads of healthy pizza recipes online, especially on social media. You've got the Greek yogurt and flour ones, which are great, but let's face it, they all taste like cardboard. But you want that actual pizza taste, right? So here's where my pizza recipe is different. We're looking at 720 calories at 58 grams of protein. Not only that, it's ready in 30 minutes. Anyway, let's get into it. Add 150 grams of zero fat Greek yogurt to a bowl, and then add your 75 grams of liquid egg whites, a pinch of salt, and then 5 grams of nutritional yeast. Then we're going to whisk the ingredients together until we get a nice smooth mixture. Adding the nutritional yeast at this point allows the yeast to break down and fully incorporate into the whole mixture, using the liquids from the egg and the yogurt. Next, we're going to add 15 grams of coconut flour and whisk again. Then the 75 grams of self-raising flour and mix. You can get away with using a whisk for this part, but the mixture will get harder to whisk as you go, so don't be afraid to swap out and use a spatula or a spoon like I have. Make sure the ingredients are fully combined, and then you're ready to turn this out onto a baking sheet or a silicone baking mat like I do. Check out the Amazon links below if you'd like any of the equipment in this video. These reusable silicone baking sheets are really good for this recipe. As this is a very wet dough, we're going to spread it onto the baking sheet instead of rolling it out. And the trick here is to spread it from the inside out until you get a roundish shape, and we're going to use a wet tablespoon. If you find that you're dragging the dough instead of spreading, wet your spoon. This makes it so much easier to spread out. Once it all looks even, you should have about a 30 centimeter or a 12-inch pizza base that looks fairly similar to this. Now we're going to bake this without any toppings for about 5 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or around 430 Fahrenheit until you have something that resembles a bit of a flatbread. Now we're going to top this pizza. If you need a pizza sauce, check out my quick and easy tomato sauce recipe in the card on the top of the video or in the description below. Failing that, just use your favourite pizza sauce. I'm using a combination of half-fat cheddar and mozzarella, plus a selection of meats and pepperoni. Then it's back in the oven until it looks like a pizza. With only cheese on this pizza, you're looking at about 5 minutes additional cooking time. But for me, with these extra meats, it was closer to 8 minutes. So without the meaty toppings for this pizza, I had the calories at 721. With 58.4 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat, and about 79.8 grams of carbs. And that's for the whole pizza. With macros like that, you can eat this daily and still hit your goals. If you like this pizza recipe, then let me know in the comments below. Also, like, subscribe, and hit that alert bell to make sure you stay up to date with all of my latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.